Strategies for Debt Management and Repayment. Hello, and welcome to our informative video on Conquering Debt, Strategies for Debt Management and Repayment. In today's episode, we will explore practical strategies to help you effectively manage and pay off your debt. So, let's dive in. Understanding interest rates is crucial when dealing with debt. Interest is the cost of borrowing money, and it can significantly impact your debt repayment journey. Higher interest rates mean more money going towards interest rather than paying off the principal amount. To minimize the impact of interest, focus on paying off high-interest debts first. By prioritizing these debts, you can reduce the total amount you'll pay over time. Now let's talk about prioritizing debt repayment. Start by making a list of all your debts, including credit cards, loans, and any other outstanding balances. Then, categorize them based on interest rates or outstanding amounts. There are two popular strategies to consider: the avalanche method and the snowball method. With the avalanche method, you pay off the debt with the highest interest rate first, while with the snowball method, you start with the smallest debt. Both methods have their benefits, so choose the one that aligns with your financial situation and goals. Consolidating your debt can be a smart move, especially if you have multiple debts with high interest rates. Debt consolidation involves combining all your debts into a single loan with a lower interest rate. Consolidation simplifies your financial situation by having just one monthly payment, potentially lowering your interest rate and extending the repayment period. However, be cautious and ensure that the consolidation loan terms are favorable to avoid additional costs in the long run. When faced with overwhelming debt, don't hesitate to negotiate with your creditors. They may be willing to work out a repayment plan that suits your financial situation. Remember, communication is key. Be prepared to explain your circumstances, provide evidence of financial hardship, and propose a realistic payment plan. Creditors are often willing to negotiate because they would rather receive some payment than none at all. Now, let's discuss some common debt traps you should avoid. Firstly, be cautious of high-interest credit cards. While they can be convenient, excessive reliance on credit cards can lead to unmanageable debt. Always pay your credit card bills in full and on time to avoid accruing interest. Secondly, be mindful of payday loans and other high-cost borrowing options. These often come with exorbitant interest rates and can quickly trap you in a cycle of debt. Explore alternatives such as personal loans or credit unions that offer more favorable terms. Lastly, let's emphasize the importance of maintaining a good credit score. A good credit score opens doors to better interest rates and favorable loan terms. It also improves your financial reputation, making it easier to secure future loans or rental agreements. To maintain a good credit score, make timely payments, keep credit card balances low, and avoid opening too many new credit accounts at once. Regularly monitor your credit report for errors and address them promptly. In conclusion, managing and paying off debt requires a strategic approach and commitment. Remember to understand interest rates, prioritize your debt repayment, consider debt consolidation, negotiate with creditors, avoid common debt traps, and maintain a good credit score. By implementing these strategies, you can take control of your finances, reduce your debt burden, and pave the way for a brighter financial future. Thank you for watching our informative video on Conquering Debt, Strategies for Debt Management and Repayment. We hope you found these tips helpful. Remember, financial freedom is within your reach. Stay focused, stay determined, and take the necessary steps towards a debt-free life.